struggling with the wind. What kind of bird is that, guys? It almost looks like a bald eagle from right here. Might be a hawk, actually. A hawk. It ain't no buzzard, that I can tell ya. He's lifted up significantly since he first started, but he's struggling. He had to turn around and go the other way with the wind. Loop around or something, maybe. I don't know. He's doing a lot of flapping, getting a lot of nowhere, though, except higher in elevation. See, hadn't gone very far at all. It finally is all, fuck it. Fuck it, he says. Fuck it.